Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue. Today I'm going to share what I'm going to have for dinner. I like eating reasonably healthy. Well, look, I'm like everyone. I do occasionally fall off the wagon and eat sweet treats and some junk food, but usually during the week we like to do healthy things. And I've just grabbed what's in my cupboard and freezer, and I'm going to make a chickpea stir-fry. Slightly healthy, and I'm doing it kind of Asianesque inspired. I've heated up my pan, and in there I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This is rapeseed oil. This is what I've got in the house. I've run out of everything else. I've got one red onion because that's what I usually cook with. I'm just going to fry that up until soft for a few minutes. So I often do Indian style, Mexican, Asian-ish kind of style. And I like creating things with what I have in the cupboard. I was going to do more of an Indian-based curry tonight, but I realised I didn't have any crushed tomatoes. And I thought I could go to the shop and buy tomatoes, or I could just use what I have. Now my pan's a bit hot, so I'm just going to play camera person and zoom you in so you can have a look at all the ingredients I throw in. Just get these onions soft. And then I've got in here, I like using minced garlic and minced ginger. So that's just a teaspoon of each. I don't like too much garlic, but you can add more if you prefer. Now to make my sauce, I've got some miso paste, and then I'm just going to add in half a cup of water. So this is vegetarian and vegan. I've got some tamari sauce. You can use soy sauce. That's 1 tablespoon. And to make it kind of Asian inspired, there's 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and we have crunchy in the house. And it's not a healthy one, so I'm just making my sauce out of all of that. Okay, that's nice and blended. Now I've got coconut milk, 3/4 cup. I have the dried Maggi powder in my cupboard and add water to it. I find that's so much easier than always having the coconut milk. An Indian friend suggested that. I've got 1 packet or 1 tin of chickpeas drained and rinsed. I've got some broccoli. There's 200 grams. I use frozen broccoli and just chopped it all up. You can use fresh. And I've got 200 grams of frozen spinach. I'll wait and pop that in at the end so it doesn't discolour too much. We just cook this through until it's warm and until some of that sauce evaporates. So about 10 minutes. I've got some chilli flakes. I'm going to add those. I was going to add the sriracha sauce, but I think the chilli flakes will be better. So I'm just going to add a little sprinkle of those. I've just realised it's probably runnier than what I really wanted it to be. I shouldn't have added so much water. I should have only done 1/4 cup. So what I've got in here, a little trick my mum used to do to thicken up the sauce. I've got just a dessert spoonful of corn flour or cornstarch. And I'm just going to add, I've got like my little jug of milk water here. Just adding a dash of that. Maybe I'll measure it for you. Just to make a paste. And that'll help thicken up my sauce. Throw that in. And then you need to quickly stir that. Otherwise it'll go all gluggy. And I'm going to throw in my spinach now. And if you like meat and you want to add a little bit of chicken in here, you can. I'm not sure it would go with fish. It's always good to add the spinach in right towards the end. You just need to heat that through. We don't need to boil it. If you cook the spinach too much, you lose the green colour. And that corn flour did the trick. So it's just about ready. Look at that. It looks very green and very healthy. You can't really taste the peanut butter flavour anymore. It's kind of all blended and it's just got this really nice gentle spice. Not too salty. I thought the miso might have made it too salty, but it's actually quite good and it tastes really healthy. Now I'll show you how I serve it. So before I started filming, I boiled some rice. You can use black rice. I eat a lot of black rice, but tonight I've just boiled some white rice. So I'd grab like a little cup like this, and I usually just make a little mound. This is my 1/4 of a cup. So I squish 2/4 of a cup. So I've got the rice on one side, and then I'll just scoop this out. That's it. That's my healthy dinner that I'm going to eat tonight, which is spinach, broccoli, and a little slight Asian style. Let's try this. Yeah, it's even better with rice. It has a nice contrast. Hope you've enjoyed what I eat for dinner, or what I'm eating for dinner tonight. My healthy chickpea curry with spinach. Let me know in the comments below if you give this a go. If you like this style of video, let me know and I can do a few more dinner ideas of what I eat during the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.